Did you know that not all real estate agents are struggling right now? I got the opportunity to hang out with a San Diego top producer, Gisela Sanchez, the other day, and she had 5 closings this week alone. Why? I'm going to share with you some things I need to pay attention to in this winter season and into 2023. Hello everyone, my name is Ben Pie Champagne. I go by Ben Your Agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by EXP Realty. I live in the Avocado Heights area, California, and I service the San Gabriel Valley area. But I'm open to working throughout LA, Orange County, and Riverside County. I specialize in new home construction, military relocation, company relocation, and I love helping buyers and sellers achieve their real estate goals. If this is your first time on this channel, I have a playlist that you're on right now called Real Estate Journey. I started this YouTube to share with you about my journey and what it looks like for 2 years now. Please watch the whole playlist or pick whichever one that interests you the most. So marketing is super important in my opinion right now. Especially when you're getting clients saying they want to wait for whatever reason it may be. Give is what I and you need to do. The content in the right context matters. For example, sharing how a new homeowner can save hundreds of dollars, then share the benefits like changing things in their home to be more energy efficient. Finish off with a call to action like DM me the word SAVE and I'll send you a free guide on energy efficient things you can easily change in your home. Next, begin protecting your mindset during this season. When sales are down, you begin to get negative quickly. My everyday routine is read Yahweh's word, pray, and listen to videos or podcasts from industry coaches and top producers. Another big one you hear me talk about is never stop prospecting. Because I work a part-time job, I set 2 days a week to do real estate, which is Monday and Tuesday. But what I found out is those 2 days are packed with training meetings, team meetings, and content filming. This leaves me not much time to prospect, if you can imagine, so things will change here for me. I broke it down and I want to do 48 transactions next year. So that means I have to speak to 10 new people every day. Door knocking and cold calling has gone way down too. I want to hear from you. Should I door knock and cold call still? Social media marketing seems to be working for many agents, and I want to see better conversions on mine. What I need to do is share videos on things my audience would like, share, save, and comment. I'll say that again. What I need to do is share videos on things my audience would like, share, save, and comment. If it's not those things, don't do it. I forgot to mention, I have to work my SOI, sphere of influence, better. How will I do that? What I've been hearing many times, but I haven't done it yet, is write down everyone I know and call them. Last thing I'll talk about is the business planning for 2023. Briefly, I said earlier, I know now how many conversations I need to talk to with new people every single day, which is 10. But I need to go back and write down my why I'm doing what I'm doing in my life. If I can be real with all of you guys like I've always have, my why last year was probably not deep enough, and that's why I didn't accomplish what I wanted to accomplish. So that's the first thing I need to do, is clarify my why. Once I get the why, next is the what. What I want to accomplish. After that is the how. The more I can be clear on the how, then it would be easier for me to get it done. Finally is when I want to hit each goal. It feels great when you have more time and money. Guess what? It can lead to freedom to give more and spend more time with your spouse and those closest to you. I want to thank every one of my subscribers and faithful viewers. If you have not yet subscribed, please do. If this video was helpful, please like and share it to someone. And I would love to hear your thoughts about what I talked about in this video. Please comment below. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.